Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a smart family calendar, you have probably seen both Cozyla and Apolosign. While they may look similar at first glance, there are some important differences that could make one a better fit for your home. So in today's video, let's break it down step by step. So both the devices come with this type of large touchscreen display that's very easy to view from across the room. Apolosign focuses on delivering a dedicated family calendar experience with a straightforward interface. Cozyla, on the other hand, offers a more table-like experience, giving you access to the additional applications and customization options beyond the basic scheduling. Now, for family organization, both support the shared calendars, reminders, and task managements. Apolosign is designed mainly for keeping the family schedules, chores, and events organized in one place. Cozyla goes further by supporting a wide range of apps, productivity tools that makes it useful for the users who want entertainment, note-taking, and other smart display functions alongside their calendar. Now, if you want something simple that family members can start using right away, Apolosign offers an easy learning curve. If you enjoy customization and you want more control over how the device works, Cozyla provides greater flexibility and functionality. So you can go with Apolosign if your goal is a simple digital family calendar that keeps everything on schedule. You can choose Cozyla if you want a more versatile smart display that can handle family organization while offering the additional features and app support. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.